Hey, this is Mike Sheen, and you're wanting to know, is life insurance worth it? Well, let me share you a quick story. When I was a young insurance agent, I was breaking out on my own, and I was looking for some space for an office, and I had a friend of mine, and interestingly enough, they owned a funeral home, and they had some space, and that's where I had opened my office. And what was significant about that, and it was, just kind of interesting, and we always kind of had a good laugh here. Here I am with a life insurance agency inside of a funeral home. But it really hit me there that, hey, none of us are getting out of here alive. And I'll guarantee 100% of the people that came through that funeral home were not planning and did not know that particular day that they passed away. But what was more significant here is for you that have not been to a funeral home. um, Basically they're set up where you have the foyer, you have kind of the general area, and then you have the chapel, and then the chapel is where the family is, and there's pictures and flowers and people are telling stories, and that's where they have kind of the deceased there. But then out in the foyer, totally different perspective there. That's where you got the family members talking about, hey, what are we going to do for mom? What are we going to do for dad? And let's say it's a situation where it's a young mom or dad that had passed away. What are we going to do for the kids? And all those kind of money conversations. All right, so out in the foyer you had the money conversations, and and then again, having my office nearby, I would, kind of, go through and maybe wanted to see my buddy for a minute and go into his office. You'd hear these conversations, and it was very interesting. The ones where you could tell where they'd laid things out, they had plans, they had life insurance, and it wasn't an issue. And then you had the other ones where, hey, they were looking to, hey, we got to pass the hat here. Totally different mindset. It was just totally different as far as just the stress on the family members, where there wasn't the life insurance, where there wasn't something in place to provide for the survivors, for the beneficiaries. So that's where, is life insurance worth it? It's what it means to the survivors, to your loved ones when you're no longer here. Now, if any of this resonates or makes sense, what I want you to do, and to see, how it apply for you, go into the lower left there and you'll see your insurance, your life insurance 411.com. Or just go below this video and click on that link, and it's going to take you to my website. And on there in the upper right, you can put in your name, your phone number, your email address, and click get a quote. And that's going to come back to me, and then we can reach out and have a conversation to find out what's going to be the best plan for you, what we need to do to put in place something that's going to provide for your family so that they're taken care of when you're no longer here and when that paycheck stopped. Because again, none of us are getting out of here alive. All right. So until we talk, and I hope it's real soon, hey, make it a great day.